In the era of explosive AI, computing growth, data centers face four major dilemmas: massive power consumption, high cooling energy costs, long construction period, and high land costs. Building factories in the suburbs, double the cost of power grid operation, city land acquisition. The cost of the construction period is unaffordable. Broad redefines the urban AI data center. Original creation sandwich structure, steel core slab. Self-weight is only 1/6 of the concrete building. Can build 45 to 140 story super tall computing power towers in urban areas. It can save about 5 to 40 times the land usage than a typical data center. The building modules are 100% prefabricated in the factory. On-site construction achieves 3 floors per day. Prioritizing green power. Self-built integrated power stations as supplementary sources. Operating seamlessly in both grid-connected and island modes. Full-chain, high-voltage direct current ensures stable power supply. Adopting broad unique waste heat refrigeration technology. Facilities easily achieve a PUE as less than or equal to 1.15. Broad's AI-powered smart O&M maximizes energy savings, with energy efficiency benefits shared between parties. From China's East Data, West computing hubs, internet giants, national-level supercomputers, and leading global tech enterprises overseas, broad data center solutions have been deployed across dozens of landmark projects worldwide. In the future, Broad will continue to exert its strength, enabling supercomputing power to be deeply rooted in cities, ushering in a neutral carbon, new AI era.